I just got back from Disney's brand new Star Wars Galactic Cruise, and it's amazing. Happy hour. I'm Dave, the basement bartender. I plan to take a lot of footage on board.
I've got a bad feeling about
But I got carried away with all the fun and excitement that once things started happening, my camera never came back out. But I did manage to deconstruct one of the Halcyon's signature cocktails.
Why didn't you tell me?
Let's get this thing started. So before I even left for Florida, I received a call from my friend Cam over at Flour, Eggs, and Yeast about his time on the Halcyon Starcruiser.
Hey Dave,
Hey Cam, I'm getting ready for the Starcruiser. Anything I need to make sure I check out while I'm there?
be sure to check out Fiery Mustafarian, Sith Wayfinder not included.
That sounds right up my alley. Thanks for the tip.
With Cam's recommendation, I boarded my transport shuttle and soon found myself in the atrium of the Halcyon. Disney spared no expense on thieves.
Such a large bounty for such a small package.
It's gorgeous. While I did think that the food could be better, all of the drinks were very tasty. And trust me, I had them all. Cam was right. The Fiery Mustafarian had a bit of smoke, a bit of heat, and was balanced perfectly with just a hint of sweetness. I had to figure out how to make it. Jedi mind tricks failed on the bartenders. No one would give me the recipe.
What, you think you're some kind of Jedi waving your hand around like I'm a Toydarian? Mind tricks don't work on me. Only money.
After tasting and experimenting, I think I'm pretty close. It's a tequila base, so we'll start with 2 ounces of Tequila Anejo. Add 1 ounce of a smoky Mezcal, half an ounce of lime juice. There's a peach undertone and just a hint of sweetness. So while I couldn't determine exactly what the stone fruit listed ingredient on the menu was, I found a bar spoon of peach preserves and 4 dashes of peach bitters. Came really close. Shake over ice for about 15 seconds and double strain over freshly cracked ice in a rocks glass with chili powder and salt rim. I'm using the actual glass served on board. I didn't steal it. You're allowed to keep this one. Finally, add a vial of lava from the planet Mustafar. Oh, did I forget to mention that this drink has lava in it? This one took me a while to figure out. It's essentially a spicy syrup called heatanol made by sentient technology. The concoction allows the consumer to adjust the level of spiciness in their drink to suit their preferences. But what is it? Okay, so this I did steal.
What? He's taking it better than I thought.
Get rid of it.
Do we have to?
Or rather, I didn't use all that was provided to me. I found that if I combined equal parts of hot sauce, ginger honey syrup, and orange juice, I got a really close substitute to the lava extract harvested from Mustafar. And if you want to learn how to make my ginger honey syrup, check out the syrups video in the description. Add anywhere from a quarter to a full ounce of the syrup to the drink, depending on your tolerance for spice. Close your eyes, and it's almost like you're on board. Since I just saved you about $5 grand, how about you boop the like and subscribe button, and we'll call it even. If you've been on board, let me know in the comments what your favorite part of the cruise was. And if you haven't, feel free to ask me any questions about it. Or check out the full review by Flour, Eggs, and Yeast, link in the description. Please drink responsibly. We'll see you next time.